let's dive straight in. I'm going to make these videos quick and fast so that they're easy to watch. Okay, you did well. What we need to do is fix up some of these pages. I'll show you what I did with the pages that... Oh, that's working now. That's good. Yep, that's working now. That's good. Surrealism's working. Not sure what went on there. All I did was... I just went in here and saved that to the draft. To be honest, I'm not exactly sure what happened there, but it's fixed now. All I did was go into the home page, went edit, and change that from draft to published. Let's have a quick look at that. Let's see if we can do that to all of these. You've made them private and draft and all. That's fine, but no one's really going to see it if it's not in the menu. Because they can't navigate to it. So it really doesn't matter if they're all published. There's probably a plugin I can use that can do all of them in bulk, but that's alright. So I've changed, so that's the front page. That should say front page. And same with surrealism, that shouldn't say draft. That should say, it should just be surrealism, unless you wanted it to change. So save draft and then publish. Alright, that's it. Okay, that's what you need to do. It needs to say published if you want it to actually be published. Oh, I see. And you've changed this around a bit. Alright, let's fix this. I'm just trying to read your email here. No, that's all right. Main menu headings. Yep, that's what we're going to do. Yep. The Surrealist page. Yeah, but we've also got a bit of a problem here with this. So that's on the front page. Let's just go in and fix that. Look, it does take a little bit of time. Oh, I see. You've put it in there. All right. Well, let's just drag that into this row. Okay, that's a row. These are the main containers. These are rows. So, and here I'm just going to delete that. Not sure what that is. All right, and here. Now we've got, instead of having like a row of 5, let's change this from 4 columns to, it's only got 6. It doesn't have multiples of 5, unfortunately. I don't think I can do 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5. I'll try. Nah. Alright. Look, so okay, I've got it. Problem solved. So you wanna, oh no. You wanna have 5. You wanna 5. 5 is a hard number with this plugin. Let me think. Alright, I know. How can a quarter be in the middle? Oh God, that's so hard. I can't put half and half on the other side. It just can't be. It's hard to put a quarter in the middle. It really is. Yeah, if we can add another category would be really great. I'm a bit stuck now. 5 is a really difficult number with the way we've got it. Let me try and work out a way. Oh, and look at this. This is switched around. Alright. And oh, I put this into the row that has the picture background there. You might like that. I don't know. But I'll just fix that up. What I'm going to do, see, you've got to get used to these rows, right? You can always add a new row here. Oh, I accidentally swapped those rows around. There, put that back where it is. What I'm going to do is just create a new row. See that? Empty row. And I'm going to drag it up here. Remembering this has got the picture background there. Alright, and I'm just going to drag that to there. So now that will sit above that photo. That quote will sit above the photo. And here, I'm just going to drag this back down below there. Alright. I've still got this problem with 5 columns. We really need to either just add a new one, or let me think. Gosh. Tricky. How to make 5 columns look good. I can make 6 columns look good. I can make 4 columns look good. 5's just really hard. I'm getting stuck here and I don't want to make this video long. Can we introduce another column? Would be great. So that we can just put 2 there, or take 1 away. In fact, you know what? I'm going to take 1 away. You've added the night paintings. Actually, did you do this? I think that's pretty cool. I think you added that category. Ooh, that's exciting. Anyway, we don't necessarily need to see all the categories on the front page. It's just a taster, isn't it? So here's what I'm going to do, and this will teach you more about Visual Composer. I'm just going to delete this. Yeah. I'm going to add a new row. I'm going to drag that row up underneath that. So, like, yeah, just underneath the paintings there, or the categories, yeah. I'll make it, say, like 3 column. And here in the middle, I'll add a new widget. Let's try a new widget, okay? Let's try a button. And the text on the button is like, see all the galleries. And select URL. And let's find that gallery page. Gallery? Oh, did we not call it gallery? Just a sec. I'll just go to the website so I can work out what that page is called. Page ID 77. Oh, I want to fix this. Just a sec. So this page should be called what? What's it called? Gallery. Yeah, it's called gallery. Annoying. Oh, because it's not there because it's set to draft. All right. Save draft. Publish. Now, the other thing is update. When I view this page, yeah, it should say gallery. That's right. All right, so that's done. All right, so it's not going to see it until I close all this and press update, because it's stuck in before I made that change. Like, no, it doesn't know that I've made fixed up that gallery page. So I have to update this so when I go into this and set this, I can see the gallery. Okay, we're going to link to the gallery. That's all we're going to do. And you can set up different styles for how it looks, like modern or whatever, and the shape and the color. I think we're already. What was the color going to be for your things? It was going to be like a blue, perhaps. Anyway, that'll do for now. And center the button. You can animate it too if you want. Press save and text on the button. Alright, update that. might have got the blue wrong there. Anyway, so that looks better. No, that blue's about right. Alright, that's better. That's better. Alright, cool. So now visit the gallery. See, this is where you could have the night paintings, but now you've got 8 different categories, which is fine, but now I've lost your night paintings one. I'm just going to go for a temporary solution here. 9's easier to deal with. If I add night paintings, that means I will have... I'm going to add a row inside a row here. I'm going to change that to 3 columns. So now you'll see why it's easier to work with 9 as opposed to working with 5. Okay. And I'm just going to drag that one down to there. Whoops. It's a bit sinister, this, isn't it? This drag and dropping thing, but you'll get the hang of it. Alright, that's about right. And then you can move these around yourself where you want them. I'm just going to move this into here. Because, I'll tell you why, because my plan is now, I'm going to change this from 4 columns to 3 columns, same here. But if I did that, it would create havoc if there was something in there, because then where does it go? And it makes a bit of a mess. So just make sure before you change the number of rows that you clear the space there if you intend to reduce it. So I'm just going to change that from 4 to 3 rows there and 4 to 3 rows there. So now we've got the grid set up for 9. And I'm just going to duplicate this image, drag it in there, and duplicate this link box that we made and drag it into there. I'm just going to update this to that night paintings one you did. Now it's not a square, but it seems to work putting it into this as a square, doesn't it? Let's see. Oh, I'm hoping it kind of should have been, that picture should have been a square. Anyway, the image link goes to, we've got to find the night drawings. Okay. Well, that's just, I'll just save that for now and edit this one. And I'll check that link, press link options. Now, instead of going to drawings, this should go to night gallery. I'm not seeing night gallery. And just refreshing this page so I can get my admin bar, so I can go to the dashboard, so I can go to pages, go to all the pages. I've got to fix up all of these things from... oh no, you see, contact, that should not be private. I mean, no one's going to be able to contact you unless that's published. So I'm just going to edit that. I'm going to hold my modifier key down so I can open up this in a new window because I've got to edit a few things. That should be ready to look at. That should be ready to look at. That should be ready to look at. Isn't artist, shouldn't that be ready to look at too? Alright, so I've opened up all these tabs. Contact should be public and published. And I'll wait for that to stop spinning, or that to stop spinning. They're all spinning now. The internet's dropped out a bit. Okay, here it comes. Okay, so that's been updated. I know I'm safe to make that go away now because all it's doing is refreshing the back end. So I'll just click to go away on that. And, okay, landscape should be published. publish, click to go away. Sydney should be published, click to go away. Night paintings should be published, click to go away. Artist bio, public and published, click to go away. Alright, refresh the page. We're back to the gallery. Oh, I didn't finish editing it because I needed to find the night gallery. No, where is it? Night paintings. Okay, so edit, view. Alright, there it is. So the it's not going to find it, is it? No, because I've got to update this. Alright, here we go. Edit. Image link. Night paintings. And view. Okay, this is where we have to decide if we're using capitals or not. And so maybe it's not use capitals there. So view, night paintings. And then highlight it all, click edit, and paste in that link and press apply, save changes. Okay, so let's make it all lowercase then. It's just about consistency. Consistency always for good design. Okay. That needs a cap. Oh yeah, that's got the capital V. Night paintings, and just this one needs fixing. Save changes, update. Now, you need to test all of this, obviously. I'm not testing every page. Alright, that's working. That's good. Now, you said you had problems on the Surrealist page. No, that looks fine to me. That looks alright. What was the problem? And, oh, you've already added this to the menu. So, you don't need help with menu. Sweet. Well done. Alright. And the Venetian paintings. We need to save that as a draft, publish it. Now, what have you done here? Oh, I see. Absolutely, there's should be nothing in there. Nothing in there. And what we do is we go to the back-end editor. We can add a template, add the Surrealism template, and now just update the page. And now I take it you're right to go in there and update the text and the images. So now we've got space to put a hero and a catalogue. I think it might be best if we work with this grid of 9. So maybe on the home page. Oh no, it's alright. You can swap between 4 and 3, it's okay. Alright, it's a little bit better. Oh, you probably didn't want that appearing because it says that there. Alright, I'm just going to get rid of that now. And, oh, and right, deleted the R. You can't see it, just a sec. There you go, there's the R. Oh, you didn't like the photo I did for you. Okay. And yeah, you've got to add your contact details. I'd add the... Oh, I guess you don't want people calling you all the time. Up to you. Anyway, I won't write that there because it doesn't look finished, the website, if I put that there. If I get rid of that, it looks finished now. Anyone can visit it and it looks pro. Oh, cool, you did sub menus. Sweet, man. That's great. Yeah. So what's that? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, and works in progress makes 9. That's right, isn't it? That's how you wanted it, right? That's cool. Yeah. Yeah, I want to think about that a little bit more, but for now, that's cool. All right, look, I think I've answered all the questions. Let me know if I haven't, and I'll make another video, or just ask more questions. Hope you're going well. All right, looking great. Fabulous work. Really impressed with your progress. All right, chat soon. See you, mate.